Hello classmates. Today I'm going to talk about my project. So yeah, I did my project in going up to the teacher's desk in the middle of a lesson. So basically what I did this project twice. I did it one in my Latin American Studies class and in my AP Government class. My Latin American Studies class is a mix of juniors and seniors, and my sociology is just pure seniors. So there was a pattern that I noticed, which was really ironic to me. When in Latin Americas, I really don't talk to a lot of people there because they're mostly juniors. What I noticed there is that once I got up, everyone turned to look at me to see what I was doing because our teacher was talking. And I went to go sit in the desk. So that was pretty cool. I don't know, it was kind of weird at first, but then everyone kind of got used to it, so that was weird. That's why I tried answering questions from the teacher's desk to see if they turned, and a few did, but ironically enough, like, no one asked me, why are you sitting there, what are you doing over there? I probably heard one person ask, like another person, but that was about it. So it was kind of ironic to see that. I don't really talk to them, so they just stared at me like if I was a weirdo. In my AP Government class, since I do talk to most of the people there, two people did ask me, what are you doing there? Why are you sitting there? My answer was, oh, I'm just doing work, or because I want to. Even someone that's actually in our sociology class asked me, what are you doing there? Which was pretty funny to me. Yeah, I think that there was less of a response in AP Government because everyone knows me. I think that if I would have done this elsewhere, people would have taken more notice because people basically already know who I am, how I am, so they don't bother in asking. What I also noticed is that people did like have a reaction in the beginning, but then as time passed, like, they were like, well, this is normal. Which kind of reminds me of the video that we saw today or yesterday in class of the shopping with black or something. Yeah, it reminded me of that because people saw what was going on, but yet they didn't, most of them didn't approach the situation to ask or like to intervene to see what was going on. So that really caught my attention, how it was kind of similar, although it was different situations. Like, it was similar in the sense that no one asked, or no one, they probably thought it, but no one came up to say like, well, this is weird, why are you doing this? Something else I did was during class I don't know what I was thinking. I was sitting and we were in AP English, and for some reason I was just staring into space, and I was like, an old lady falling off a building. And I was thinking about it and Carla was right next to me, and my two other classmates, Adrian and Eliel, and they just turned and Carla just like, what? And I started laughing because I thought it was funny because I didn't do it purposely, but I was just thinking about it. I was just looking up into air and I was like, an old lady falling off a building. And then Carla turned and she's like, what building? And it made me laugh because I didn't think about it at the moment, but now it's like I was looking and I was serious. So she thought that there was an old lady falling off a building, or it said it somewhere, but there's no window. So I thought that was pretty funny. And yeah, it's also another addition to my project, although it wasn't on purpose, but I thought it was really cool. I'd like to classify this as, following what other people do, because for example, like the video we saw yesterday, about that one lady left with her friend and the African American lady, then everyone just started walking out. It always takes that one person to do something to get other people to do it. So that's what I kind of got out of this mini accidental experiment. And yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. I'd like to do something like that again out of nowhere. If I had the opportunity to do something like this again, I totally would. This time I would choose one that's outside of school, just to see how people that don't know me will react. This was kind of like, I know these people, well, let me just do this. But now that, I feel more comfortable doing things like this, I think I would want to do this all over again, separately. Maybe one as a whole class. That'd be really fun. Maybe we could do the freeze mob sometime. That'd be really cool. And yeah.